Let's have some fun and draw the Easter Bunny sitting in an egg. I'm going to start with the egg, so a curved line for the bottom of the egg. Now this Easter Bunny is going to be having his little paws come out. So 1, 2. Now you might want to put some little paw lines on those. 3 little ovals for the paws. Now we're going to put the crack of the egg, 1, 2, like a zigzag. Just bring it through like so. Now we're going to draw a cute little bunny head. So I'm going to draw a line around like that, another curved line on this side. Now the ears, you can do the ears how you want, but I'm going to draw one coming up like that. This one comes out like this. And this one's going to be folded down, so we're going to put a little line there. Bring him around like that. Now what we want to do is we want to put a line there. Then we're going to put the inner part of the ear in. And we're going to do the same here. Line up there, line down like that. Now you could make your bunny look like he's cranky, happy, or whatever you like, and you can decorate your egg. I'm going to decorate my egg first with some stripes, and then I'm going to put some patterns in. So I'm going to put some little circles, and I'm going to repeat that. That's called repetition. That's an art term, to repeat it. And in here I'm going to put in some little spirals. You could do any patterns you like. Little bit of a almost like a wave. And we can put some on here as well, so we might continue that wave around. Whatever you do, an A-B pattern looks good, so A-B pattern there. Now time for the eyes. So I'm going to draw 2 big eyes, 1, 2, and I'm going to do kawaii style eyes. So I'm going to have a big circle up the top and a little circle there. I'm going to colour that in black. You could do whatever you want for the mouth. I'm going to just do a little bit of a bunny sort of shape with a big happy mouth on here, like so. And there is a cute Easter bunny. Now you could put a little nose on if you want to, or you could leave it off. I'm going to just put a little nose on there like this. Little bunny nose. There we go. Up to you if you put that on or leave that off. And if you wanted to, you could put some other eggs around the side. So you could put some other eggs. Let's put some other eggs around. 1 there, 1 there. We might even put the half of the egg that he's... No, I'm not going to do that. Put some patterns on these eggs. This one's got lots of little spots on it, so oval shapes. Don't forget to do half ovals on the edge. That looks way better than just putting them in the middle. It shows that they go all the way around. This one's going to have some zigzaggy patterns. You can colour that how you like. Now it could be sitting on some grass, so if we wanted to make this look like grass, we could just put a couple of little blades of grass like so. Almost like a heart monitor. Beep, 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 beep. There's a bit of grass, and you can put a few grassy lines through here as well.